I told you before that I don't trust NASA and that even on their own website they use Photoshop to write sex on the world map with clouds. I showed how they mocked our minds by placing the Disney Pluto dog figure on the planet Pluto. The pictures are on NASA's own website and Wikipedia. Check them out before they get deleted. When it comes to space science, one wrong can cancel out all the right things. Let me add one more wrong to these. Here, a land in Libya. You can see how they worked on Mars with minor touches. I have always argued that may be right, may be wrong. If there really is an impenetrable dome above us, it is our cage. We have truly been exiled and imprisoned here from other heavens' continents. Therefore, it is not possible to go beyond the Moon, let alone Mars or Pluto. If you ask if there is an example supporting this, it is claimed that according to the Antarctic Treaty signed in 1959, there is no permission to go beyond the glaciers and anyone who tries to do so is shot without exception. There are those who call this a liar and exaggeration, but if there were no such possibility, there wouldn't be any talk of it, right? For example, the Admiral Byrd incident. I believe this story to be true. Because the Tunguska and Roswell events took place at similar dates, and the world is experiencing rapid technological leaps. In particular, the fact that this jump occurred in America strengthens the possibility that the Roswell incident is real. I'll keep this short because I've said this before. Well, if it is true that we were exiled here, then there must be a passage. This circle, which was claimed to have been found in Baghdad in the 1920s, is actually thought to be a passage. NASA also published similar news about the possibility of such passages. It is up to you to trust the liar NASA or not. I have previously mentioned the possibility that what they make us swallow as planets may be other continents beyond the glaciers that have not yet been revealed to us. Maybe they have already moved Rockefeller, who is said to be dead, to such a place. If you hear that the Queen of England has disappeared overnight, know that the process of massacre has begun. Those who always call these a conspiracy should please explain why, for what purpose around 860,000 seeds are kept in the Doomsday Ark in Norway. The golden age of the elites will begin after such a cleansing and they will use these seeds. I have touched on these before and said that everything that is happening is working according to a plan, according to the schedule. The second flood is near. This video also served as a general summary. Coming to the main topic. A map of Mars has also been added to Google Maps. 3 points caught my attention on this map. 1. Edom. Could it be the place where Adam was created, first appeared? 2. Thoth. The name of the Egyptian god of wisdom. 3. Arabia Terra. Arab land, it means. When you put them all together, a pyramid was formed. Of course, this doesn't surprise me. What I'm really curious about is, are these places on this Earth? Or are they on other continents beyond the glaciers?